you never have to try too hard. You just have to be yourself, and you being yourself is the most attractive thing that you can do with, trying to attract somebody. You know what I'm saying? You really got to just be you. You got to walk around. You got to know your worth. You got to know your value. Be confident. But the main key is just being yourself. Like, that's one thing that women really love. Like, it's not about being yourself that you're so mean, and being yourself that you're so blunt. It's about being yourself so that you can express yourself in different ways, express your feelings, express how you truly feel, express the things that make your heart jump. When you speak up for yourself, when things make you upset, these are things that are important. And I'm not even gonna lie, like, I feel like each and every woman is different, right? But as a person who, and I'm not the female Rizzler or nothing, but I know a little bit. And majority of the women I talk to, they kind of like when I take action on trying to better myself, when I take action on trying to better their lives as well, but doing it in a way where it's not like, hey, do this, or I'm not talking to you no more. Nah, it's more of a way of like just getting them to understand that I'm patient, and I want them to know that I want the best for them. It's patient love, it's gentle love. Those things really do matter. When I was thinking to myself, like, dang, what really makes me attractive? And that's just me being myself. That's me being authentic. That's me in this white beater and my hair tied up, and I don't have a haircut. It's me with a puffy eye because, I'm itching it because I have allergies, and, somebody's going to come and like me for me. But I have to be authentic. And what do women secretly want? They want you to be authentic. Women secretly want you to just be yourself. Women secretly want you. Like, I was just talking to somebody, and they were like, people are just so scared to be themselves. Like, even with guys, mostly younger men, like y'all, like us, majority. Sorry to all my ladies out there, but majority, they want us to be open. We're so closed in because we're so scared of what other people think. We're scared to step out of our comfort zone. We're scared to really just be ourselves. But you know what? If you don't be yourself, then that person won't really find you attractive. Before I forget to mention, I am super excited to have the Wing Girl Method as today's sponsor of today's video. This is founded by Marnie. Marnie is a fellow YouTuber. She has 1.3 million subscribers. She has been featured on MTV, one of the biggest TV. If you don't know MTV, come on now. But anyway, let's just get straight to it. Men suck at flirting. And this is why we need Marnie's help. Because her F formula has been backed by science, and she is a professional dating expert. We need Marnie's help. We need her help, and this proven system helps you attract the woman that you want, to help you build your confidence. This isn't for guys who want to be single forever, who want to be lonely forever. This is for guys who are seeking some thrill, some excitement in their life. If you're not taking action, you're just setting yourself up to be left behind. There's opportunities every single day for you to go get up and go after it. Even if you think that girl is out of your league or not interested, this step-by-step formula can change that. Some of us may ask, why should we trust Marnie? Why should we trust the F formula? Let me show y'all something real quick. This is your chance to date like the top 10% of men. And because the Wing Girl Method is sponsoring today's video, they're now offering you guys an unbeatable deal. An unbeatable deal. Just click the first link in the description now. Grab your exclusive preview of the F formula completely free. Plus, if you decide to pick up the full program, you get an extra 20% off. If you're tired of failing and flirting and stuck behind on the sidelines, stop wasting time. Take control of your life and click below to get access right away. Shout out to Marnie, man. Shout out to the F formula. Anyways, let's get back to it. Or they might find you attractive for the time being, but when your mask goes away, your costume goes away, you are left with yourself. And you can't put on a costume for the rest of your life. The costume will blow away. Because Halloween's over. Halloween been over. Why the hell is you still wearing a costume anyway? You know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of different things that you really need to take in mind and take in effect when you know you're trying to pursue somebody, when you're trying to attract the love of your life, man. The second thing I think that women secretly want, they want you, like I said earlier, to take action. They want their mind to be stimulated. You know, and some of us might not even know what that means because we're so addicted to our phone, we're so addicted to corn, we're so addicted to, you know, pleasing ourselves that we don't even know how to stimulate somebody else's mind. We don't know how to look somebody in their eyes and have a conversation without being on our phone. We don't know. But these are the things that we got to work on. These are the things that these women love, that these women would love from you. So what do you have to do? You have to work on yourself. If you want to attract your soulmate, if you want to attract that person in your life, you first have to work on yourself. It's never about the pickup lines or it's never about the pickup lines. It's never about the way you approach them. It's your energy, bro. It's your energy, because energy doesn't lie. You could have the bummy fit on, but they know you could put it on, bro. They know that you could clean up. They know that you dress well just because of your energy, the way that you approach them, the way that you talk to them. But if you could have the best fit on, you could have a haircut, you could have 2-strand twists in your hair, you could have barrel twists, whatever you desire. You know, whatever you feel that makes you look good. If you don't feel good on the inside, is which they secretly love. They secretly love when we feel good inside. It will show up on the outside because, you know, you hit in the gym, bro. I'm still skinny, but they know I'm in the gym. You feel me? I'm still skinny, but they know I'm in the gym, bro. That's because I work on myself a lot. And I'm authentic. I even asked them, I was like, hey, dude, does it look like I'm fit? She was like, yeah, you look like you're fit. I'm like, you know what? I know I'm fit because I'm authentic, because I'm genuine with myself, because I keep it real with myself. And the moment that you're not able to keep it real with yourself, there's a problem. You should always be able to keep it real. And that's the third thing. But this all ties back to authenticity. You know, how genuine can you be? Keep it real with yourself. Keep it real with yourself. The main reason why we don't reach our full potential is because we lie to ourselves. Embody that energy of just being in that space where, you know, they would love to be around you. If you know something to be true, like if I were to ask you what's your favorite color, you would answer green without a doubt, because that's my favorite color. It's windy. Like I was saying, yes, if somebody were to ask me what's my favorite color, I would say green, because it's without a doubt my favorite color. I don't have to think that it's my favorite color. I don't have to think. You know what I'm saying? You have to walk around with that energy. Do you know that they think you're attractive? Yes. So why are you thinking about what to say? Why are you thinking about how to act? Why are you thinking about, you know what I'm saying? If they like you for who you are, then you have to be yourself, and you will find people who really are attracted to you, who are really attracted to your energy, you will be very magnetic to people when you be yourself. When you wear what you want to wear, when you talk how you want to talk, when you learn the things that you want to learn, when you just be yourself. Because that's all you owe to yourself, is just being yourself. We walk around seeking the validation of other people. We walk around trying to see which girl looks the best, and does this girl look better than her? If she doesn't look better than her, then I don't want her. It's not even about that. It's about you. It's about you embodying that energy of being the best version of yourself. That's what attracts these women that you like. It's not about the best fit. It's not about having the most money. And you actually will come to realize that a lot of these girls are independent. They got their own money. They got their own money. Social media has messed up a lot of our brains. Social media has us thinking that all these girls want to be tricked out and all these girls want to be bougie and stuff. It's not even like that. If you can get yourself enough money to go on a date, if you can get yourself enough money to buy her something on Valentine's Day, to buy her some flowers every once in a while, then you won, bro. You won. It's nothing too complicated, bro. Everybody's different though. Some girls like to be tricked out sometimes. Some girls want to, they want things to be bought for them. But it's not like social media. You don't gotta go out here and spend a band. You don't gotta be out here and be their father. It's not like that. They just want somebody to be there for them emotionally. Can you be there for her emotionally? That's the fourth thing. Can you be there for her emotionally? You can't just hop straight into the buns, bro. That's not how this works. Women are very emotional people. And I'm just trying to give you the blueprint. I'm just trying to give you the game. I don't even like doing that stuff. I don't even like, because I feel like it takes away a lot of my energy. And I've only done it with one person. But that one person taught me a lot. It taught me a lot. It taught me that they were very emotional people and that they act on their emotions and they're very in tune with how they feel. And if you can tap into her emotions, then bro, you win. And what does tapping into her emotions look like? Like I said, can you make her feel heard? Can you make her feel loved? Can you make her feel like you're actually interested in her? Can you make her feel seen? And if you can't do these simple things, then you're going to struggle with attracting that person. You're going to struggle with doing these simple things that they love. They're not complicated people. Women are not complicated. They just have a lot of things going on. Their mind is always racing. And that's why us as men, we step outside of us to try to fit their needs. And the whole time we need to stay where we are. We need to be where our feet are. We need to stay right here and be ourselves, so that when they come, we can just continue to be us, so that we can lead them. We can lead them and teach them different things. It's not about leading them with the most money. It's not about driving the most fanciest car. If your shit can get you to A to B, then you good, bro. If she can't accept you driving her somewhere, or she won't even let you drive her car, you know what I'm saying? These are just things that you have to think about. What type of woman do you even want to attract? Are you trying to go for something that's so far gone, so far out of your love zone, I guess I should say, so far out of your comfort zone that you have to entirely change who you are? And that person's probably not for you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I hope these things can help you move forward and just become the best version of yourself. Take everything I said with you, do what you want with it. But remember, the most important thing and the biggest thing that they want you to do is to be yourself. Be yourself and meet them emotionally. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I appreciate all you guys for listening. If you made it this far, blessings to all. I really appreciate you all. Blessings to all. And y'all have a great video. Goodbye.